Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the Smartsome Space Saver Fold-Away Rack, a stainless steel wall-mounted laundry drying solution that's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this durable rack is designed to withstand daily use without rusting or corroding, ensuring long-lasting reliability. With 8 rods measuring 34 inches each, it offers a generous 22.5 linear feet of drying space, allowing you to dry multiple items simultaneously. Its space-saving fold-away design lets you easily retract the rack when not in use, keeping your laundry area neat and organized. Installation is a breeze with the included detailed instructions, making it simple to mount on any wall in your home. Plus, with a robust 60 pounds weight capacity, this drying rack can handle heavy loads of laundry, including towels and blankets, efficiently meeting all your drying needs. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Smartsome Space Saver Fold-Away Rack today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.